Konnichiwa. Welcome to How to Japanese series. In this video, you will learn how to make comparisons between two items. For example, which is taller, bigger, or more delicious, etc. Now let's compare the US and Japan in terms of their land mass. We know that the US is bigger than Japan, so the sentence goes like this. アメリカは日本より大きいです。America takes the particle wa, which indicates America is the topic of a sentence. After 日本, we will add より, which means than. At the end of a sentence, we use 大きいです, which is the descriptor, telling the listener what we are comparing them about. Alternatively, we can also say アメリカの方が日本より大きいです。No is apostrophe s, possession. 方 means side. Literally, the sentence means America's side, then Japan is bigger. Please know that we can move 日本より to the beginning of the sentence and then move アメリカは after it. So the sentence goes like this. 日本よりアメリカは大きいです。Then Japan, America is bigger. Same with the bottom sentence. We can say 日本よりアメリカの方が大きいです。Then Japan, America's side is bigger. That is, all four sentences mean America is bigger than Japan. Now let's compare the speed of a car, 車, and a bicycle, 自転車. Which is faster? Faster in Japanese is 速い. So according to what you just learned about making comparisons, there are four ways to say this. 車は自転車より速いです. Or you can switch the order. 自転車より車は速いです. We can also say 車の方が自転車より速いです. Or you can switch the order of the words. Then the sentence will go like this. 自転車より車の方が速いです. Now we know how to make comparisons. How do we ask the questions? For example, between sushi and pizza, which one is more delicious? Then the question will go like this. 寿司とピザとどちらの方がおいしいですか? After sushi, we use particle と. After pizza, we also use particle と. どちら means which. どちらの方が means which side. Since personally I like sushi better, so my answer would be like this. 寿司の方がピザよりおいしいです. I can end the sentence with です or its variations such as と思います, I think, to express my opinion. Or I can also use でしょう, probably, if I really don't know sushi and pizza well. Now let's compare vegetables and meat. The question will go like this. 野菜と肉とどちらの方がおいしいですか? That is, between vegetables and meat, which is more delicious. For carnivores, they would say 肉の方が野菜よりおいしいです. For vegetarians, they would say 野菜の方が肉よりおいしいです. For those that like both, they would say どちらも好きです. For those that dislike both, they would say どちらも好きじゃないです. Let's listen to this dialogue between the man and the woman making a date plan.
日曜日は暇ですか?
ええ、暇ですよ。
一緒にご飯を食べませんか？
いいですね。
中国料理と日本料理とどちらが好きですか？
私は日本料理の方が中国料理よりずっと好きですけど。
そうですか。じゃあ、日本料理にしましょう。
If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Please also look for the other videos that may help you with your Japanese. Thank you for watching. ではまた。